Whoa! Ooh! Boo! Boo! Good morning, everyone. What a time to be alive. Hello Atemo. Alors, Cosmic in Alpha is pretty neat. Something even revolutionary, huh? Okay. Hello Chris. Sunrise Spring World. Holliswood. Mirko. Baza Tower. Whoa. Guten Tag. Yo Papichon. Did you forget leg day? Yes, I did. Did I forget leg day? Okay. Did I forget leg day? Just listen. It has been 10 years I didn't do sport. This is bad, but 10 years, dude. So it's pretty bad. But I think my legs are still there, dude. They are ready to kick your ass, Black Baccarat. Goldchester, thank you for the follow. Hello, Johan B. Hi, Actu, salut. Turntable TV, what's up? RD 1995. Kizzy Cat. Quadfeed, Victor, Cince. Hello, everyone. And Gabrakat. Oh my gosh. Udaznik. How are you doing? I mean, installing so many distro, you must have lost a lot of calories. Sure. I wish it worked this way, dude. I definitively don't have the six-pack anymore. You know? You know what I mean? The six-pack is definitively not there, dude. Yo, Zero, what's up? Carnimux, what's up? Where is my big chest? It's here. It's here, dude. Yeah, 10 years. 10 years I didn't do one serious sport. Obviously, like, you know, I did some sport activity, but I didn't, like, get back into something serious. I think I'm pretty solid for 10 years, dude. We'll see how you look when you get my age. By the way, cheers, everyone. Hello, Tom. Okay, chat. Let's get serious. We know we are a really serious channel. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna test and review. I say review in between code because, you know, Cosmic desktop environment is still in production. It's in alpha phase. So I don't want to give a real review, right? Because obviously they have a lot of things to iron out and make sure like the actual, like, you know, release is going to be good. But we are at a phase, we are just testing it. So it's going to be more like a test of an alpha. We won't really draw any conclusion, but I'm just curious to see how it looks, how it install, obviously, and also how you can game on it right now. Why have abs when you can have kebabs? Okay, boys. Listen, dude, I think we are in great shape today. We are in great shape, huh? I feel it. I feel like we have a solid team on the chat. I agree with this statement. Why having abs when you can have kebabs? Really good, dude. That Bob superior to six pack? Yes. Cosmic will be awesome when fully released. Oh, I see the big word already in chat. It's the first alpha, it will be more. Yeah, I agree with that too. That's why I don't want to be, rough or whatever. So here is what we're gonna do, chat. We're gonna jump into it. We're gonna jump into it right away. So a last thing before we start, chat. How to explain it to you in a way that if you don't have children, you would understand. I feel like I went out last night and I drank like 2 bottles of rosé and 1 bottle of vodka. And I slept 2 hours. That's how I feel right now. So I might not be at 100% because my children, my child, actually one of them, was not sleeping. So, yeah. How dare you? You have a Windows ISO on that Ventoy. Oh, so yeah, we're gonna talk about that. I'm gonna make a video tomorrow, and it should be released on Saturday or on Monday about that. Why I have a Windows 10 installed there? Oh no. Oh no. What's happening, Air Max? Are you cheating on Linux? So here we have 2 ways of testing it, chat. We can install Arch and install Cosmic Alpha or install Pop! OS. So you know my feeling about Pop! OS. So yeah, we are going with Arch. So game are freezing, okay. We'll see, like I'm gonna try, obviously. I don't think game work in Cosmic, it's a bug. Oh, so there is a bug, okay. So why not using Windows 10 LTSC IoT? Listen, bro. Never heard about it. And I just use the ISO you can download from the Microsoft website, right? Hey, salut Camille, what's up? Bottles didn't work on Pop. So listen, I'm gonna be direct with you guys. I'm not using Pop because it's Ubuntu base and it gives me headache. So I'm trying to limit the surface of headache I can have the morning after I'm not sleeping. That's why I'm not using Pop! OS, okay? Should we count this Windows 10 installation as a coming out? Listen, Stash. This is not what you think, okay? What is with Pop! OS? I never heard you talk about Pop! OS. So, Chris, I made a video about Pop! OS. Just go on my channel and search for Pop! OS. And you will know what I think about Pop! OS. Hello, Vexy. LTSC is just long-term support till 2031, if I remember correctly. What? Hello, Mirko. I can't even go through the Ubuntu install without the installer crashing. Okay. I don't want to bash it, okay? Wow, I didn't know on the range. So Windows 10 LTSC IoT. So okay, before we start that, just for science, because now you kind of like like activated my curiosity, dude. So let me check something real quick. Let me check something. Okay. So you said Windows 10 IoT LTSC. This is a new version of Pop! OS. It's time to test if they can change your mind about it. No? No. Listen, okay, chat. Again, super clarity here. Where is this baby? Here. Oh, I can't mount it, but I did download it. Okay, chat, I have it. So what we can do after testing on Arch, we could try on Pop! OS. If I'm not falling asleep on my keyboard, I could try, okay? I could try. So am I using the test ISO with Cosmic? No, I'm using Arch. So you need to get the IoT LTSC, not the regular. Okay, so I guess it's this one, right? Windows 10 IoT Enterprise. Hey guys, how do you download that? You see? Windows IoT distributor. Hey, hello Ratmar. Massgrave. Oh, okay. Aha. Okay, guys, this is how you do it, huh, boys? Coquinou. Uh-huh. This is how you do it, huh? With a little love. Is this a serious website, dude? Got it. With a little art, chat. With a little art. Okay. So guys, here is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna install Arch. Simple as that. Four hours of mockery, not a Nobara fan now, as you can guess. Didn't boot, installed Mint, boot, no problem. Actually, I finally assembled my new computer, the first time of my life. Okay. Let me go back on chat. Give me 1 second. I don't want to miss any of your message, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so congratulations, Tash. Congratulations. I guess you had some issue with Nobara. Might have to give it another try. Like, it's just weird it didn't boot, to be fair. It should be booting. I was looking at the Cache OS with Cosmic Desktop, going to test it if it goes well here. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. So listen, chat, there is really two ways you can go about Cosmic. So let me introduce you to Cosmic, just in case. I know most of you know about Cosmic, okay? But all right, so Cosmic Alpha release. Pop OS, where are you? Where are you, my friend? Here we go. So this is System 76, which is a computer assembler. I don't know the word in English, but they are like, you know, creating computer with various parts, and they are distributing them with Linux on them. Linux on it, on them. Well. And so they are created their new revision of Cosmic desktop environment. Their Cosmic desktop environment, and correct me if I'm wrong, was based on GNOME before, but now I believe they have rewritten it from the start. Like they literally like recoded everything on a new base. Okay, and this is what we're gonna be testing. So there is two ways of testing this distro. First one is using the Alpha 1 image there. Okay, I downloaded it. It's on my Vantoy key. No worries. And there is a second one which is using Arch or Fedora and XOS or whatever. We are talking about Arch here because this is the one I'm the more comfortable with. All right, chat. This is the idea. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna install it through Arch. All right, chat. This is the idea. Hey, salut Roman. YouTube TOS is funny about Massgrave. Yeah, that's okay. We just went on the website. I did nothing, so I don't think it's gonna be a problem. Worst case scenario, I will remove this video. Like everybody is gonna be fine. Don't be worried. So Orphan here, hello. I really like your video about installing CachyOS. When will you post the video about gaming config? Gaming config is already shooted, so I recorded it. And I should be able to edit it this afternoon and tonight. And it should be pushed on the channel tomorrow. If everything goes well, okay? Right, like I have a lot of like thing going on right now, but this is the idea. Manufacturer. Yes, that's a good word actually. Timo. That's the correct word in English. Thank you, dude. English International. So guys, I'm gonna do an install real quick. Kingston. BetterFS. Yeah, we should be fine. So I'm gonna install Alpha, okay? Sorry, I'm gonna... oh boy, I'm tired, guys. I'm gonna install Plasma, all right? That's gonna be the idea here, and from there, we're gonna install Cosmic. I don't want to go no desktop, like I don't want to go through the TTY right now. Okay, I'm just gonna set up Firefox there, up, thank you. Full name, Air Max. Name, Cosmic, by the way. Password. Whoa, big password there, chat. Like always. Okay. Allez, give me the juice, papa. So I'm gonna install on Cachy, yeah. We're gonna install on Cachy because I don't want to compile it on Arch. I don't even know if their repo are okay. Like I don't even know what's going on over there. I read on the Discord of CachyOS that they did compile it, so it should be fine. Hello, Defcant Game, what's up? Skinny Boys, Hello, how are you doing, dude? Cyber Turkey. I just downloaded the Windows ISO and then. Okay. Thank you, Underrain, for the recommendation, okay? I'm gonna have to give it a shot. You work really hard, man? Yes. But no pain, no gain, brother. Wood for the gaming config video? Yes, Anthony. It will come, don't be worried. 9950X review are starting to appear on YouTube. What? Okay, we're gonna have to watch that. And we're gonna watch that on Cosmic DE chat. We're gonna have to watch those reviews. Please, no spoil. Password is 12345. How did you know it? Turntable, okay, bro. CachyOS has an ISO with Cosmic already? No way. What? What? Are you kidding me, dude? Where is it? I don't think you can put any link on the stream bar. Hello, Derzim Trauer. How are you doing, dude? Gamer Nexus just uploaded one. Okay, we're gonna listen, chat. We're gonna focus on Cosmic, and it could be a great test to see how it works. Okay? Oh, the latest test release. Where is this repo, dude? I don't even know what is. I'm gonna go on the forum. Oh, we don't care. We can install it like that, chat. You know, it would have been faster to just install it right away, but we can install it for fun. Right? Look who is here, our buddy, dude. Yeah, so I guess it's this one, huh, chat? Oh, desktop, what do we have? No, huh? So I guess it's this one, in testing. Yeah, the testing one. Okay. Don't be worried. We're gonna do without it, chat. No problem. Okay, we are done. Listen, chat. We're gonna try. We see how it goes, okay? Hey, Joe, what's up, buddy? How are you doing? Thank you, Vixie. Appreciate it. CashieOS, papa. Let's go. I'm off caffeine for about 2 weeks and I feel like a zombie. I know what you mean, dude. Hello, Fizzy. What's up, buddy? Hey, finger crossed for your daughter, Joe. Finger crossed, buddy. So, let's jump into it. We're gonna do a little Arch Wiki to see how to install Cosmic. Like a boss. And we're gonna test the DE together, okay? It's gonna be fun. I feel it. I feel like it's gonna be fun. This is good. Power off, please. Yes. So I'm gonna go fast. Okay, feels good. Now, our friendo, ArchWiki. If you are lost, ArchWiki, guys. Never forget. Alright. Cosmic first release is called Epoch. And can be installed via Cosmic Git Session. Alright. Alors. Par où Cosmic? Old school chat. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat, dude. Whoa. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. I'm gonna try to read the message. So, my bad, chat. Thank you for the €4, Chris. Thank you very much. So yeah, you see, like, they did recompile everything. So listen. Par où -s Cosmic. See, we opened the wiki, but we didn't even read it. They are 38-member group in Cosmic. So we're gonna go... with 1 to 20. Okay, because we want the V3 version, I believe. Oh, you can choose if you take the Git or the other one, dude. Oh, but they are not the same. Guys, they are not the same. It's only like certain of them. Okay, all. 1. The following package cannot be agreed. Okay. Yeah, so it's gonna do a mix of them. Allez, c'est parti. We good. The phrase like a boss is now spoiled for me because appliance maker Bosch now use it as a slogan like a Bosch. I don't know what design Paru, but having less relevant option at the bottom is weird. Only yeah for me. Xiomec is just an option. It's just an option to change. I didn't do it. Watch, I'm gonna show you. Sudo nano etc paru.conf. You go back there and you remove bottom up, you save, okay, and now I'm gonna do paru cosmic, and guess what? Everything is at the bottom. I'm just lazy. Okay. So on paper it's installed, chat. We're gonna restart. Actually no, I'm just going to log out. I'm really lazy, dude. So sometimes being lazy is really good. Okay, I won't lie to you. Because when you are lazy, it pushes you to do less, right? So you have to be smarter. Or at least you have to try to be smarter. But I'm really lazy. I have to be honest. Chris, again, I know I'm repeating myself, but thank you very much for the coffee, dude. Thanks for the 4 euros there or dollar. I really appreciate it. Cheers, man. Okay, here we are. We are on it. So there is no right click on the desktop. And we are using Cosmic Comp on Wayland. So the first thing I noticed, chat, is the fact that we didn't have an X11 session. Chat, we didn't have an X11 session, so my guess is like it's only on Wayland. The heck is this? The heck is this thing there? Okay. Okay, pretty interesting, huh? God damn, the way you sip from that cup of coffee make me want to go and make myself one. I'm drinking tea, dude. I had to stop coffee like 1 year, almost 2 years ago. I can't drink coffee anymore. So don't be worried, you are not missing out. So Cosmic seems like a hybrid between GNOME and Hyperland. They are working on it, Air Max. Brody Robertson has an interview with the dev. Okay, got it. So they're gonna be releasing an X11. Oh no, Cosmic is on Wayland only. They will never build it for X11. Wow. Okay, so we are just on Wayland. I'm okay with it, chat. I'm okay with it. So I'm gonna go and try it. Woo! Wayland recording bridge, video bridge. So we have a bridge recording here. So what happens if I do that? I guess nothing happened. How does this workspace works? Oh, got it. Okay, so... Okay. Application. Cosmic settings. Resolution. So first thing I'm gonna do is change the refresh rate if it's... Ah. Maybe we need to reboot, no chat? Let's reboot. Let's reboot, chat. Let's give it a fair try, okay? I'm gonna reboot. Let's say we do it a little bit better. Aura, 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 how are you doing, dude? Why can't you drink coffee anymore? I think I drink too much coffee in my life. And when I say too much, like there is time in my life where I was drinking like 6 to 8 espresso a day, dude. And lately, like, if I drink a coffee, my stomach just say no. You know what I mean? In a really bad way. Let's word it this way. So I can't drink coffee anymore. But because I still need my caffeine, I'm drinking tea. Okay, I think the refresh setting is broken and you need to change it in the config file. Got it. Okay. My father used to drink 10 to 14 each morning. Wow. His heart was really not having it. Yeah. Tea with caffeine? Yes. Some of the teas, they have caffeine in it. Obviously not the same amount. But if you are really addicted to caffeine like I was, the day I stopped drinking coffee was not the best day. Let's word it this way, dude. Like, let's word it this way. So I needed something to compensate, right? I needed to have a little bit of caffeine somewhere. I'm also not on coffee. Maca for a slow release of caffeine with a lot of added benefit. Nice, dude. Green tea is good for you, yes. I used to drink really potent coffee, but I switched to making concentrated cold brew and watering it down through the strength I need, but no need to get jitters. Hey, hello Steven. Why you didn't install Pop OS? I explained it before, like I think it's just better like that. We might try Pop OS after, but I want you to start with the Arch base for not having any headache. I just love the taste of coffee. Me too, dude. Bo! Alright, chat. So, we're gonna do it again and see if we can change the settings. So, settings, please. Yes. Yeah, it doesn't work. So, let's do it manually. Chat, it is really confusing to me. It is really, really confusing. I can't tile the window on the right. So how does it work? Move window. Oh, shift and Oh, got it, dude. Okay, so you can do... You need to do 2 buttons to do that. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. Mickey, thank you very much for subscribing. Much appreciated, dude. So... CD Cosmic. CD Cosmic. Where are you, Papa? So I'm sorry if it's like really small. Oh yeah, now it's working. Guys, better. All right. Oh, it's gonna be a long day, boys. Oh, it's gonna be a long day. I feel it. Air Max, have you heard about the Synclose AMD vulnerability? Yes, I did it. Hello, Sharika. So I heard about it. I did read. Oh no. So I did read about the overall, like, you know, vulnerability. And the way I understand it, they need to have access to your ring 0. To your ring 0. Oh, man, I'm so tired. Ring 0 level of your hardware. So I don't think it's gonna happen anytime soon. So I think there is a big vulnerability. I know they patched the, you know, like server side already, but I don't think it's gonna be such a bigger problem for the, you know, normal user like us. There is a lot of information in chat, okay? Yeah, that's why you said it would be a bumpy start. Yeah. Well, you know, it's okay. We knew it would be a little bit bumpy, and that's okay. And we can still stay, guys, we can still stay. But you see, like, his display is totally different. Watch, you can see the screen and stuff. Me, I can't even see it. It's weird, no? Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Chaika. Like, it's gonna be really, really hard to take advantage of the vulnerability. It's still possible, but I'm really not worried about it. So am I the only one to have this issue? You think KDE mess with it? Oh, it could be, yeah. It could be it. I want to give it a fair try, okay? So... Use, oh yeah, I could do that. That's a good one. Smilon done YouTube. That's a good one. I could do that. I think you should have gone with the August ISO. Yeah, because I don't want to have a headache, chat. I already have a headache. I don't want to play with display right now. We can still reinstall it. I could not download it while booting on the Vantoy ISO. So we did it violently there. We will see if it has some type of impact. Fedora works okay. Yeah, should be working, man. I'm not worried. Now my PC is like... Listen, dude. There is days in life where things are working and things are not working. Okay, that's the way I see it. You know? So hopefully today is gonna be one of those days where it works. Yeah, something is definitively like playing with each other. I can tell. Oh, so this worked, huh? This one worked. I think you need to shut off the stream and then go to the bed behind you. Okay, maybe it just doesn't like 140 Hz, chat. Maybe this is what it's all about. Because 120 is okay. That's really odd, dude. It's like Star Citizen, it's an alpha. Okay, boys, you know what? You know what, dude? No problemo. I'm gonna do that. And we're gonna continue to go through it and see if it's actually a requirement to go in 140 Hz. Maybe it's just, you know, some type of issue. So what do we have? What do we have? Let's be focused there. Let's go back to the workspace. So I can have this workspace. So, okay, my first feeling, chat. My first feeling. Like the overall like design here, I would say, is kind of odd. So I like the fact it's rounded. I like the look. I think it's really original. But the outer line like that is really hard. You see, there is no mark for the one at the top. So actually, I kind of like it. The more I dig into it, the more I like it. But this is definitively a different experience, huh? Yeah, something is broken, chat. Keyboard, mouse speed, mouse acceleration off. Okay. So this is fine. Okay. So apparent and theming. Color accent. So we are on dark. Accent color. Ah, got it. Okay. So the blue, it's definitively not my taste. Now let's see if we can do something a little bit more like, I would say, interesting there. It just look odd, huh? Okay, let's let it this way. Container background. Container background color is used for navigation sidebar, sidebar. Ah, okay, so I guess it's this one here. Yeah. Okay, not bad. I'm not a big fan of the outline. I kind of like it. I just think it's too big. I think it would have been great if it was not big like that. It's just too wide, you know what I mean? Oh, so this is a... Oh, you can change the style there. Round, slightly round, or square. I like the slightly round, okay. Active window each size. Ah, voila. This is it, dude. Because you see, I think by default, it's just too big. Like, this is better. Right? So, this is not bad, chat. You have an option for it. You can change it. Yeah, I can just see it. Hey, see you, Hollywood. I think it's better like that, chat. So the color itself... Oh, this will go well with the background. So you see, this background is really nice, but it has a lot of like kick. So... Okay, I like it, dude. Actually, I kind of dig into it. Icon theme. So this is for the icon. So we're going to stay on that. Apply this theme to GNOME app. Oh, yes. Okay, so I'm going to get a GNOME app, for example. Parou Proton up. Yeah, sure. So how is it gonna look like? Oh, okay, I get it. Not bad, in fact. So this didn't work. Like the window didn't work. Oh, but I think it's because wait. This is not the right one. This is not one which is based on GNOME. So my bad. Is GIMP based on this one? I don't remember. Can you auto hide the dock launcher? Good question. Let me check something first. Oh, wow. Wow. So let me check. Ah. No. So I think this is it's my KDE setup which is messing with it. You know? It's just grabbing the GTK theme or whatever from KDE. Create a new user. Okay. Let's do something else first. Yeah, I think that's gonna be funky, chat. So obviously they still have work to do on this one. Airplane mode, Wi-Fi. No thanks. Oh, la, 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 la. Yeah, this is ugly. Like, in my opinion, this is ugly, but... So this, I don't like, chat. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. So... I can word it to be super straight to the point. At the base, I'm not a big I'm not a big fan of Cosmic, not Cosmic, GNOME. Okay, I'm not a fan of the workflow. I'm not a fan of the way you navigate through things. Okay, so you know, take it with a grain of salt. It's just my 2 cents. Okay, chat. Oh, this is good. This is fast 100. I'm even wondering if it's working on Arch. Yeah, it's not. Okay, so obviously this one is not going to work. But I have to say, it seems to work pretty fast. So let's try it again. Compared to their store from before, that's definitively better. Let me tell you, chat. Like the store they were using before is one of the reasons like I was not fan also of Pop OS. I like that better. Okay, so this is good. Settings. Okay. And this is the launcher. So how would you do that? What are the shortcuts? Control and 4. Control and 3. Okay. So again, it okay, I like that. Okay. So you can go through the actual desktop like that. Okay, so navigation is not bad. Okay, now I start to get it. Navigation is not bad. Now, what do they have here? Automatically tile current workspace. New workspace via viewer, tiled. Oh, okay. Trying to get used to the shortcut there, chat. And I'm definitively not having a fun time right now. Okay, here we go. Okay. So, yeah. It needs customization option. Yeah, that's the point. So, here is my thought real quick, okay? Here is my thought. So, the design, I like it. Okay, the design itself, like the way they worked on the settings, like when you open a window and stuff, I think like the look of it, I really like it actually. It was kind of odd at the beginning, but I kind of like it. Like the little hint and the stuff, I think with a little bit of work, you could do something really, really nice there. Like a little bit of customization. I don't know if it makes sense. Okay. Now, oh, it's based by workspace. Oh, and this little icon change. Got it. Okay, dude. Okay. So I have this one. And now I want to put it on the right. Okay. Now I'll go up. Okay, so let me go back. I think this is good. Like, I really like the look. I really like the capacity you can have out of it. Right? So you are right. It's automatically tiled current workspace. So it's by screen and by workspace if you want. Right? So this is good. You can choose the behavior and you can decide if, for example, in this workspace I have the int, I guess. But this one, oh, okay, so this one is global. Oh, okay, so this one is global. Only this one is for the workspace. Got it. So obviously it's an alpha. I like the way it is. I like the way it look. I think they have still a lot of work, chat. I love the way it looks. Like, the more I look at it, the more I'm like, okay, this is looking good, chat. I think this is looking real good, dude. You can customize the panel and the dock. How do you do that? This is actually cool, huh? Chat. Don't you think this is cool? I think this is pretty nice, chat. Setting desktop. Oh, you have the panel. Yes. Okay, so I didn't dig into this one. We did into the wallpaper, appearance, and now the panel. Automatically hide panel. Yes, so someone was asking that in the chat. Oh no, wait, I'm making a mistake. So this is a panel up there, okay? So you can remove it, but you can also remove the dock. Okay, that's good. You show on display. Okay, that's nice. Oh, okay. Okay, let's keep it at the top like that. And a little bit transparent. Okay. All right, this is good, chat. This I like too. Oh, new gaming, you have a question. Okay, wait. Wait for me, brother. Please, wait for me. I'm coming back just for you. Just wait for me, brother, okay? Don't be worried. I'm coming for you. brother! Oh, brother, I'm coming for you! Ah. Oh. Feels good. You can try to ask the question again. You can literally try to ask the question again, okay, bro? So, I'm really looking forward to review the stable version when it launches. Yeah, me too. Like, I like it. Time to find the torch. Hello, Jonathan. What's up? Hello, GTK Hall. What's up? So, man, I really like that. Sorry, I couldn't ban him right away. Like, it's a complicated situation right now. My place, like, everything is everywhere. So, this is good, dude. So, you can customize the little applet. You know, I read a lot of things about Cosmic. And I don't feel like I can be harsh with it. You know what I mean? Like, I think it's actually really good for an alpha. Position. No way. Ooh, papa. So you literally have the same. So this is a copy and paste between the dock and the panel. It's literally the same, chat. And it's fine, okay? No, it's a little bit too small there. Yeah, okay, this is it. Not bad. Not bad. So I was saying, I read a lot of like negative stuff kind of related to this one. Obviously, it's not perfect. Okay, chat, like there is a lot of work to do still, I believe. I think the hardest part is going to be related to settings. Outside of the, you know, polish and stuff, I think the hardest part, in my opinion, is going to be building the settings there. Because the first issue I have while using it is related to the shortcut. But you see, there is no way to change any of the shortcuts, right? What I like about KDE, for example, or even like i3 or XFCE or I don't know, every other D, even Hyperland, it's like you can do everything. And this, I couldn't find it. Like, how do you change all the shortcuts, for example? You know what I mean? How do you change specific stuff? So maybe I didn't look everywhere yet. Or workspace pan displays. Changing shortcut are on the way. Okay. Oh, here we go. Good point. Good point. Okay. This is here, chat. This is the one. This is the one, dude. Yes. Okay, this is the one, chat. Oh, la, 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 please. That's what I want. Okay, so this is great, chat. This is really, really great, dude. Wow. This is... Guys. Guys. This is really good, dude. Ah. Ah, but you can customize them. Ah, no! I can't enter it, dude. I'm doing super and enter. Oh, you have to type it. No. Oh no, c'est moche. Oh no, that's ugly, chat. No. Oh no. What did I do, dude? Hopefully they're gonna change it. Enter plus Q. I broke it. Darn! So, I see the potential, dude. I see it. This could be awesome. Let me be clear. This could be awesome. Oh, it doesn't put it at the top. Ah, it works this time. Wait. Super plus space. Alacrity. Did I make a mistake? Yeah, it's buggy still. Okay, it's a little bit buggy, I believe. But I see the potential. It's actually really good. It is actually really, really good. I think right now I'm really struggling with the fact that none of those Yeah, it works. Wow, okay. Dude, okay. Now we talk. Now we talk, chat. Now we talk. It is working, boys. Look. Where is the key? It is working. So obviously we're gonna do stupid, chat. Obviously we're gonna do stupid. It is working, dude. I like it. I think chat. I think it has a big potential, chat. I think this one has a big potential. Because I think this one is gonna, you know which D is gonna be in big trouble? Hyperland is gonna be in big trouble, chat. That's what I think. Because this is kind of like Hyperland for noob. And again, I'm not being negative or anything. Like, you could get a really nice tiling setup with a setting interface with a little bit of mix of GNOME and has the full advantage of something like Hyperland. Like just think about it, dude. Like, this is really like a really good, like I've said, like yes, you're right, chat, hybrid mod. I like it, dude. I think this is violent. Okay, so now I start to get and you see, yeah, he has the auto tiling if you want. So you press here, you set auto tiling, and bam. You don't want auto tiling? Beam, bam, beam, bam, beam, bam, beam, bam. Okay, I stop. But yeah, you get the idea, right? Like, this is a really good base, chat. So the RAM consumption, I can't really tell, dude. I can't really tell right now. So, wait. Let's see. It's not bad, chat. It's not bad, dude. It's kind of heavy right now, yeah, but man, listen, dude, we are okay. So here, I won't agree with you guys. Okay, I won't agree with you guys for a simple reason. But first, it's an alpha. Okay, but like, if this thing is eating like 1 gigabyte of RAM out of my 32 gigabyte of RAM, like, who cares, chat? Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, who cares? Yeah, GTK, this is literally how I felt. Feels bad, and then when you start to dig into it, feels good. Okay, so let's go back to the settings there. It's not really appealing at the beginning, but when you start to understand, it become really, really appealing. Oh, you can switch with the control. That's good. Okay, so let me try. So if I do super O. Oh, dude! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Dude, like Imogen. This is good. I like it. And you know, I think it's really good because he makes it accessible. You know? Like if you want to do that on Hyperland, of course you can do that on Hyperland. But you have to open your little text file. You have to go and like think about what you want, etc. There, he give it to you on a plate. This is good, chat. I just hope their freaking compositor is gonna be good for gaming. That's what I want. Right? I'm still sad like it's based like it looked like GNOME still. Like this navigation there, I don't like it, chat. Okay, like but it's personal like taste. I would get rid of this. Like this whole like workspace system like that, I don't like it. It should be transparent. We shouldn't have that. Like I don't need that to know if I'm on work. Like okay, so let me explain what I think. This is like if you think about it, chat. We don't need that to know where we are at. I like what KDE does, you know, with a little like mini screen there to tell you in which workspace you have. And you don't even need it. You just switch, right? Like, why do we need to do that? And have this, you know, like, I go, I don't go. I go, I don't go. Like, it's just odd to me. Reinstall with the testing ISO and try gaming. You want to try gaming on that? I don't think it's going to be good. You can put numbered workspace instead of that, but still, Joe Silva. Yeah, you could remove it. Okay, I know what you mean. You remove it and you put number. Yes. But like... So yes, okay, I get what you mean. I don't get it. It's not my cup of tea. They're gonna have to add some settings there. You can't... You see, like, the thing which could be really bad for me is the fact you can choose which mouse, like which receiver you are playing with. It looks like it's global. So that could be an issue. And then the other issue I see there is with the sound. You see those little icons there? There is no... You cannot open something that will give you more, I will say, like, option, right? It's just sound up and down, and you choose your output and input. I don't like that. Because what I love about KDE is like when you have multiple output, you can assign an application to a specific output. And this, for me, it's literally game breaker. It's a done deal. Like I bought this mixer there, and I have like on paper I think like 18 channel, and I want to take advantage of most of them. The one I want, take advantage. Yeah, like right click and be like, okay, for output, I want that, but for, you know, like having more. If you remove the dock and activate the tiling, it basically becomes a tiling window manager. Yes. Well, you can do the same on KGE, to be fair. Oh, game does not work. Okay, so oh, you think they're gonna add it for sure? Okay, so that would be great. So let's see something just to see how it will react. Let me check something. Give me 1 second. It's really nice how flexible Cosmic is overall. KGE tiling is buggy, foo. It's buggy, but it's enough, right? Like, depending on what you do, like me, for what I do, it's enough. You mean to tell me that normal people don't like searching inside config text file to change their preferred shortcut? Yes. Okay, let me try something. Nice. Yes, sir. Oh, this is bad, dude. Okay, we're gonna watch a video. We're gonna watch a video, boys. I don't like the way you navigate through this stuff. This is gonna be the biggest one, right? Like... Oh. I would have done it with the command line, it would have been way faster, chat. You can pass. Okay. Okay, broski. Okay, it's a right issue. My bad. Right issue. It's my fault. No, it's my fault. It was a right issue. Like the way I mount it, you didn't like the way it mounted somehow. I know they said the file manager needs the most work, but still, like, yeah. It was my fault, chat. It was my fault. It was my fault. So now we set that up. Let's see the sound output. Yeah, you see. So I don't even know if we can watch a YouTube video, chat. See the issue you encounter? So what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna try not to lose my ear there. $99.50X, boys. Review. Oh, look at the title, chat. AMG fumbles this launch. AMG, we have seen this before. Review and benchmark. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see Phoronix, chat. Phoronix, save us. Save us, bro. Save us! Okay, chat. A stupid question, but how do you go about updating CachéOS? Do you do it daily? You can do it whenever you want. Logs Texile. You can literally update every 5 hours if you want. Me personally, I update maybe like every day or every 2 days max. But don't feel like you have to update. Like if it's working, like you don't need to update. You know what I mean? My streaming machine right now is using CachéOS, and last time I didn't update it for like 1 month, no problem. Just went there, update it, boom, reboot, and you're good to go. I feel like the biggest issue will be the core apps, like the App Store, Terminal, File Manager. I think it's me personally, like this is not a problem because you can still like find other app, right? Like the main one are gonna be related to Compositor, Sound, Display Manager, you know, everything related to VRR, like explicit sync, like this type of stuff. In my opinion, that's really count, like those 3 one. And then they can work on the rest, right? But those 3 one, boom, it's gonna be a lot of work, chat. So are we waiting for X3D? Okay, chat. So now let's close the overall like subject on Cosmic. I think we check everything on Cosmic. We are not going to test gaming because the feedback from chat is like it doesn't work anyways. Right? I think I want to take a look at this, chat. I want to take a look at this because I've been into the market. I've been like looking at things. I'm passionate about hardware, and I was really impatient to the release of those specific CPU. Okay. So let's read that, and we'll see what we do after. But again, I believe it's going to be a short stream anyways. We're almost at 2 hours. But I think it would be cool for us to look at this together. So do we have like user out there who were in the market for that? Hello, Knop. i5 1200 400F is the best. Okay, dude. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's see what they say. So last Wednesday was a review embargo for the Radeon. Now we are pushing the 900, like 9900X and 9950X. Okay. So this is the one which was really interesting me, the 9950X. With a clock boost up to 5.7 gigahertz. 649 USD. Darn. Oh, look. It's gonna compare my CPU, dude. Gamer on X's did a great video. Okay, let me just see something. He's not going to do gaming, right? Holy cow, chat. So on paper, I should be here. So okay, so this is specific workload. Okay, I would have seen. Short version, if you have a 7950X, you don't have a reason to change for a 9950X. For $500, I buy a refurbished Dell Optiplex. Cool story, bro. Did they give a reason why gaming doesn't work for some reason? Seems odd. Okay, so we're gonna watch the video. The biggest issue with this generation, if I understood correctly, was the efficiency compared to the previous gen. It's great to see the 5950X is still a killer CPU even in 2024. Yeah, I agree. Well, it's still a killer, but it's relative, right? Depending on the task. Right? So I know for gaming, it's still solid. But bro, they are sucking a lot of energy, chat. Huh? Like you think the 5950X is actually not sucking a lot of energy. Look at this one. For code compilation. Yeah. Whoa. Creator, blah blah blah. Bof. Bof. Okay, let's try to see if we can watch the video. I got a 13700K. Every time I get a new CPU from Intel, there is a drama. Okay, do we have sound? That's gonna be the real question. You see, I can't make my sound my card like actually work, chat. That sucks. I can't watch it. So sad part about CPU today is that you can't have the best of both sides when you look at gaming and compilation workload. But I think we are two to 3 gen away. Yes. It depends at games. Caption time. Do you want me to do the voice of our buddy there? Hi, Gent. With a 99 review underway, wanted to share some best practice for switching between CPUs. The 99 have Windows Game Mode Core Parking Optimization. Oh no. Are they having the... Are they having the problem? Dude, have you heard about this? Are they having the parking problem again on Windows? Is this serious? Like, is this serious, chat? Oh no, chat! Boom! Oh, dude! Oh, I'm losing my mind, chat. I'm becoming insane. Give me 1 second. I need to walk. Oh. Bro, how is it even possible? Chat, how is it even possible? How is it even possible? When swiping between CPUs, this provisioning can sometimes get misapplied and cause abnormally low game performance. We suggest a fresh and separate install of Windows for both 9950X and 9900X to confirm the provisioning. Attach. Oh, okay. So it's only when you switch. Wait. It's only when you switch, right? Everyone is sitting on their chairs, refreshing BIOS update page. Bro, like, I can't believe it, chat. Yeah, well, if you have to install Windows, it makes sense, dude. Like, this is Windows, bro. Chat, this is Windows. What did you expect? You need to reinstall. Guys, you better watch my rant about Windows and Linux video I'm gonna do. I think it's gonna be popping out on Monday or maybe tomorrow, depending on how my tutorial goes with CashOS Gaming. But like, if you are a reviewer, okay, if you're a reviewer with 2.2 million subscribers, don't you think it will be logical to reinstall the freaking operating system you are going to do your benchmark on? Like, am I stupid, chat? Like, am I totally stupid or what? Like those guys, they should know, no? So obviously, like, AMD sends this because they know the operating system is broken, and they are like, please, make sure you reinstall everything and you have the Windows game mode parking optimization installed, right? Provided by the driver. People hated on the 7900X3D and 7950X3D, but there is nothing but positive things on Linux. I agree. Well, there is one thing negative overall is like those CPUs, they burn. But, okay, like I'm wording it nicely. Because, we had this big like Intel like drama and blah, blah, blah. Okay. But the truth is like AMD CPUs, they had a huge period where they were burning too, okay? I'm just saying. A Windows clean install should be a recommendation, not mandatory. But in this case, it is mandatory, right? And it makes sense. And it's not the fault of AMD or Intel or whatever. It's just like the way Windows set up the driver, you can't switch after the install. Another example like that? The Serialata driver. Like everything related to IDE and NVMe and stuff. If you install Windows with a certain driver for the Serialata and you take this Serialata disk and put it on another machine, you will see you're going to have surprises. It's going to work, but it's going to be like... And you can't update it because it can't update itself while it's on. Even if you go on like special mode, safe mode or whatever, you just can't. You have to reinstall. That's a fact. So imagine with the driver related to the CPU, dude. Yeah, this is something related to Windows, but when you are reviewing something like that, you are not expecting Microsoft Windows to change the way they are doing their thing for your little review, right? Nobody, they don't care. Like, we are always like blaming Nvidia and stuff, but Microsoft is banking, right, by selling software. They already have other problems than this type of little issue, like in their world. Chat, you know what? I think I'm gonna reboot. Maybe I'm gonna switch to KDE. Yeah, we're gonna switch to KDE and we're gonna watch this review, okay, chat? This is what we're gonna do. I want to watch it. I don't think I'm gonna get a copyright strike. We could, but oh well. And we're gonna try to trick the system. Give me 1 second. No, you don't need to reinstall, just booting a Windows ISO and mount the local registry. There you can delete HACI stuff and reboot. Maybe, Chris. I'm saying that overall, it's better just to reinstall to avoid any type of headache. Because if you miss this step one way or another, you're gonna be in trouble, right? Man, it didn't copy it at the right spot. So what the heck? Why is it not showing off here? Okay, well, let's. I guess we're gonna do without sound chat. Who cares? I'm too lazy to do it differently, so. Oh, bro! Like, if you're on Linux, better than Threadripper, it's time to upgrade. Yes. You're on Windows, fumbled. Look at his face. Just skip it. Burke. It's still not Intel. We have seen this before. Like, what the heck, chat? Okay. Let's go for it. So AMD core parking required. Okay, so you have it for the X3D and those one apparently. Interesting, chat. So the 7950X and 79 doesn't get the same treatment. Interesting. So you see, like, chat, when I think about it, when I think about that, I'm thinking that you could literally wait for the X3D. If they have some type of parking setup there, why would you wait for the parking setup? But okay, I didn't express myself well. If you still need to park on a non-X3D CPU, why would you not wait for the 3D CPU? Because one of the advantage, I believe, from the non-X3D was that you could bypass all of that. You know what I mean? If you're a Windows user. But you get the idea? CPU benchmark, core parking utilization in total. Okay, so this is working. You can tell it's the core parking is working, huh? Okay, so this is good. Install AMD latest chipset driver with all feature. Update Windows, enable Microsoft Game Mode, enable Game Bar. Go to panel, power option, balance. If you want to, AMD notes that after one, you can go to settings, system, power, change best performance. Reboot, then run this command. J'en peux plus. Dude. J'en peux plus. Bro, is this serious? Like, hey guys, who said that Linux was hard? Dude, who said that Linux was hard? Sincerely. You know, like some people they come on my channel and make some comment and they are like, dude, Arch is so hard. You're such an elitist. I'm like, bro, like look what you have to do on Windows. I'm only switching platform on platform with at least 64 PCI Express lane is affordable and hopefully something different from AMD 64. Windows is harder than Gentoo. Okay, dude. Keep in mind, they did 5 days of testing before having to start all over. Oh my gosh, dude. This is so bad. Like, they should have told them, like, the day they ship the actual, like, CPU, right? Okay, so this is exactly what we read before. You can try uninstalling, then reinstalling the AMD chipset driver as a workaround, but a fresh Windows install is ideal. For the review, we highly recommend, but dude, installing Windows takes 1 second. But it makes sense, chat, because, dude, if you use this SSD or whatever, like, you know, hard drive, and you have an old version of Windows, like, installed with a specific chipset driver, you know you're going to hit a wall. Like, the guys, they should know it. They should know it, chat. Okay. All core frequency. Let's see that. So the all core, the blue one is the 9700X. The red one is the 7950X. Okay, so it core a little bit higher. No, it's lower. But no. Okay, chat. So 9950X all core under 7950X. And I don't like those spikes. Dude. What the heck? What are the spikes? You see that? I'm not fan of those spikes. Because you know what it could mean? Chat, are you aware? Are you aware of what this thing could mean when you have those little spikes? Increase latency, stutter? No, worse than that. It means that it could push the voltage higher. Right? Because when you have a spike like that, for the CPU not to crash, the motherboard has to push more voltage in it. You see when you do this spike? And so if it's actually good and limited, like do it in a smart way, it's okay. If it's not, ooh, papa. Oh. Okay, so and here this is 1 core max. For example, like what you are watching there, like this type of spike related to the max V-core is the actual issue of the Intel 13 and 14 generation, right? So there is people who will never have any issue with the voltage related to their series 30 or 14, so series 13 or 14, because they just locked the maximum frequency of each core in the BIOS, and like that you won't have the degradation which everybody has been talking about for the last 6 months now on Intel. So I think they maxed out at 6 gigahertz, something like that. You lock it at 5.7 and you're good to go. Like, long story short. So they are writing like ton of article on all this BS, but this is just what you have to do. And if you are just gaming, you won't even see the difference in game. I'm just saying. Okay, so this is a max 1 core. Wow, and it's still under, dude. Guys, it's still under. Man, what are they doing, chat? So what are we looking at here? Benchmark power consumption. Okay. So and it consume 27, 26 less watt. 27 less watt. So 10% less than a 7950X. Around 10% less. Stock. So performance is still higher. Okay, we're gonna see that. Yeah. We're gonna see that. So 10% less 10% less consumption. But dude, look, think about it. This is still 200 watt. Look at my CPU there. It's almost like 40% less. Chat, it's 40% less my 5950X. And where is the 78X3D? Where is it? Man, it's consuming a lot, dude. So I guess, oh, it's here. Dude, look at it. 78X3D, 86 watt. Wow, dude. Bob, 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 bob. You remember the time a high-end PC will consume 350 watt? Yes. Okay, so you see they mention it. They mention my CPU there. Half the core. True. CPU power. 60 FPS locked. 60 FPS locked CPU power. So I guess they did that to check the efficiency of the actual CPU, right? So 9700X versus the 7700. Oh yeah, because this one has a lower TDP by default versus the X. And it consumes more, dude. Okay, do you get the graph, chat? This is not good, huh? So what it means that with the same wattage, I'm guessing they have the same wattage, just 2-1, the new generation for the same amount of FPS is consuming more. So the efficiency is not really there when it comes to gaming. This is literally, guys, this is literally what it means. Yeah, you get the idea there? Do you get the whole, like, approach here? Like, with one graph, it literally destroys everything there. Efficiency is thrown off because those cores are parked, wasted energy. But it's not parking core on the 99, sorry, like this one. It's a small amount of core. Is it parking even on the 9600X? Doesn't make sense. Oh, we'll see in the flu side. Yeah, that was a 99. So, okay, just to be clear, look. This one was a 9700X, the red one. And here, this is the 7700. And this graph just shows that for the same FPS output, the 9700X is still consuming more than a 77. So the whole efficiency approach is just throughout the window here. Okay, Blender. Okay. So let's go back to the video chat. So here he's showing what are the most real efficient, how many simulation can you do per hour, right? CPU benchmark simulation per watt hour. So what are the best ratio when you take in consideration the wattage by hour? It's pretty good. I like this graph. This is a really good one. So for the same amount of watt per hour, this is insane to see how efficient the 7800 X3D is, dude. It's just insane, chat. Yeah, no worries, Knop. All is good. I'll be right. Blender, CPU benchmark, power efficiency. So power efficiency compared to a 770, dude, it's not bad. Wow. Okay, so here it's not bad, chat. But it's not as good as the 7950. Bro, I'm losing my... Dude. They really fumbled their chat. I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh yeah, it's not bad. And then you look up and you're like, oh yeah, this is bad. Because the previous generation here is just better, chat. Oh, wait. So how? Oh, because it's in eco mode, chat. That's why it's in eco mode. Okay, dude. Now we have a question. So 7950X TDP. What is it by default? Come on, bro. So I guess it's 170. Yeah, 170. Okay, so it's 170. 9950X TDP. $170, so it's the same. Okay, so it's interesting. So, okay, so now it makes sense, chat. So what it means that... Okay. It means that in non-eco mode, because I didn't see the echo there, okay? So in non-eco mode, you are still having a huge efficiency, right? You know what I mean? It's like if you let it by default, you will have more efficiency. But if you put the 7950X in Echo, you still are better there. So it kind of, okay, so there is a value added, chat. There is a value added. CPU benchmark, zip compression. Ah, okay. Okay, so it's frame per joule. So they go really deep into into the efficiency, right? They went really well into the efficiency, right, chat? So here, I'm not sure. I'm not sure gaming is the right place to analyze how efficient it is. Like, I understand what they are trying to do here, but I don't think it's gonna scale. Right? I don't think it's gonna scale. I don't think those efficiency reviews is, in my opinion, relevant. It's not relevant for me. Like, this doesn't make sense. Like the FPS per watt, right? It doesn't make sense to me. Because as a gamer, we don't really care about that. I don't know if you do, but as a gamer, and I don't think it scales, right? I don't think it scales like normally. So you are not. It's for me. It's not. It's misleading, dude. For me, this is misleading. Oh, wow. Okay, so the CPU itself is a monster, right? Like when you come to like pure, like. So I do care. Climate change is something I care about personally. I love efficiency. Yeah, but you are missing the point, bro. I'm gonna tell you why you're missing the point. You see, when I look at this, Cyberpunk, for example, I look at Cyberpunk, okay? And you're like, yeah, I really care about how efficient it is, right? But the truth is, with this CPU here, okay, you will not get the same amount of FPS. Or let's say with this one, let's say you really care about efficiency, right? So you look at this one here, the 57X 3G. You have good efficiency, but you're gonna have low FPS. And this graph is not telling you this story. It's just telling you that at its maximum FPS, it's more efficient. But what do you care about? Do you care about FPS when you game, or do you care about, you know, like your experience in game, or do you care really about how much energy it sucks? So I understand the point, like you want certain efficiency, I get it, but you don't have the whole story here. So if you look at the number 1 and number 2, For example, like this one is 4.1, and you will be like, oh yeah, this is great. But like try to game on the 7700, you will see that the experience will be like not as good as the 7800 X3D, for example. Right? So the story is not the right one, in my opinion. You can't have both. I'm not saying you shouldn't have both. I'm saying like it's just hiding one part of the story here. I don't know if it makes sense, Chad, but it's just misleading in that direction. Like the experience on the 5600 in Cyberpunk is not going to be good, even if the efficiency is great. That's what I'm trying to explain. So a good one like will be the 78X3D. But do we need a graph to tell the story for the 9950X? Bro, it's a 16 core which is gonna push his maximum to get a crazy amount of FPS, right? So obviously the efficiency is gonna be bad. But when you buy a CPU like that, it's not really the direction you are going, right? Anyway, it's just my 2 cents, chat. Like I'm just sharing my point of view. You see, when I see those results, I'm really happy with my 5950X, right? So obviously it wouldn't be as good as those, but when I see the temperature and the weightage and the consumption, like I know I'm not as high as those guys there, right? Like the bottom line. Okay, so now the Blender. So in terms of pure results, they are above. So here, no discussion. They are the number one. It's like, wow. It's like the performance of my CPU multiplied by 2 almost. That's crazy, dude. But compared to the 7950X, it's not that much. It's a little bump, right? Photoshop. Whoa, okay, it's not doing as well as the 19700X. Interesting. Oh yeah, but this one has special RAM. And this is the same RAM. Okay. Even with the same RAM. Interesting, chat. My i9 9900 watching you from the sea bottom. Listen, bro. For gaming, you're gonna be fine, dude. Yeah, here it's odd. Like this result is odd. So I don't know how Adobe Photoshop is actually like. I think normally, if I remember correctly, it's related Adobe Photoshop. It's not multi-core. It's more like one core type of workload. Man, stop comparing it with my CPU. Like I'm getting upset now. Adobe Premiere. Okay, yeah, that's violent, chat. This is violent. So what is he saying there? 3600K. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I get this point. He's saying like for the difference of price, you are better maybe to go there. So what is he doing now? Oh, compilation. Oh no, he's compiling on Windows. God damn it. It was like when we benchmarked Wukong yesterday, CPU usage 8 to 15%. True. I'm gaming on my smart washing machine. Bro. Man, you're lucky. Like, when I started gaming, I was gaming on my toaster. Your 12700K is going strong. Yes. Like, dude, the series between 10 and 12 were the best, in my opinion. With 13, they kind of like destroyed it, right? So you see, like, the performance gap. That's a good point. Moving from, look at it, 3950X to 5950X was like 6% or 5%. And then look at the huge, like, it's incredible, chat. Like, for compiling, this thing's gonna be a beast. Like, if you compile kernel all day, I could be the one. So 7-zip compression. Okay, so this one is a monster too. Both. Like, this is actually impressive, chat. This is really impressive. So now I know why. You know, Phoronix is happy about this. Like, if you're in this type of workload, you're just crushing it, chat. NixOS user and Gentoo. Yeah, Gentoo. More Gentoo, dude. Or even people who wanna, you know, compile their kernel or have some type of workload where you have a lot of compilation. This is awesome, chat. So decompression, same. Even if my 5950X is there, huh, chat? We're not bad still. Okay, so those are specific workload. Wow, yeah. So when you come to really like any type of task related to work, is just crushing it, chat. He's just crushing it, dude. Okay, so are we gonna get gaming? Gaming. Gaming, papa. Oh no. Bouh. But non, dude. Bouh. Resolution 1080p. Okay. You know what I want to see though? I want to see if, like, the way I see the potential for gaming for this CPU is going to be, can we really overclock the memory? Like, is it something that we can do or not? That would be the first thing. Second is, can we overclock it, like hardcore? You know what I mean, chat? Like, can we overclock it? Because you see, the 7800X3D is great, but you can't really overclock it, right? Like, you can tweak it. Like, do we have more margin there? Because if you can really overclock it, this could be a monster, chat. But it's still like 20% behind everything else, chat. Look at it. A 5800 X3D is better. My CPU is up there. Where is yours? My CPU is there, dude. But who is playing in 1080p, dude? So compared to my CPU, 5950X 70, yeah, it's a big chat. So it's like 35. So it's almost it's 40%, almost 50% chat increase in 1080p there in this game. But it's non-overclocked, right? You know they run 1080p? I know, chat. I know. Obviously. Because otherwise, all the workload is on the GPU, right? I get it. But it's more like... Yeah. Okay, so 1080p medium, Baldur's Gate 3. Yeah, the gap is still there, huh, boys? Yep. And again, the 7950X, where is it? Oh, it's there. So it's just a little bit bump. Like it's less than 5%, right? It's less than 5%. This is scary, huh, dude? So I wonder how it look like with worse GPU. So no. Okay, just to make it clear, like for the viewer out there, like if you don't get the principle, when you do a benchmark like that, and you really want to focus on the CPU, you want to make sure that there is no bottleneck around. So using a 4090 is actually the right thing to do there. And lowering the actual resolution is also the right thing to do because you won't have any bottleneck. It's going to be really around the CPU performance here. But yeah. Like if I was them, I will not even release a 99, like a 9800 X3D. I will just not release it. What's the point? So Stellaris. Okay, so there is an advantage. So I don't know about Stellaris, but my guess is like it's a multi-core game. But even though, like look at it, chat. Oh, and look at it's a huge bump. Like what? Like 2%? Or maybe more actually. No. It's 4. Like 5. Let's say 5 FPS on 30. So no, it's a big bump, but not that big. Okay. Final Fantasy. Nice. High FPS. So here it's doing not bad, but still like way under the X3D, chat. It will still be the king, probably 5% performance increase depending on how pushing the RAM OC could increase it. Yeah, it could still be the king, I agree, but like as I see it, most of the gamer they already they already bought the 7800 X3D, right? Or they are already like the gamer out there, they will be on a 5800 X3D, okay? And they will be on the 7800 X3D. So how many are going really to wait if they are not on those two platforms for the 9800 X3D? That's what I'm saying. Like, that's what, like, why would you release it? You know what I mean? It's like, it's such a weird timing in terms of marketing when you are like, even if I had a 5800 X3D right now, I wouldn't even think about upgrading. I was actually looking to get one like 3 or 4 days ago just to see, but I can't find one. Like, they are not selling them anymore. But like, you go with the 5800 X3D, you're not bad, chat. So they didn't test it here, but oh yeah, it's here. Watch. You're not bad, dude. You are not bad at all. Okay, benchmark all core and single core frequency. Okay, so let's watch this one. So 9950X average, 1 CCD. Man, I can't really tell like how high it is. So 5 gigahertz. Okay, 5 gigahertz, all core, chat. And maximum is 5700. In one core, okay. Formula 1 24. Wow, okay, so this one is working well. This one is doing a good job, chat. For whatever reason. But it's like 10% FPS more than a 7950X. So on this game, it's kind of scaling. I feel like Gamer HD has people in a perpetual upgrade cycle. Do they need to release it? No. Will they make it to try every bit of cash they can? Yes. Yes. Okay, yeah, I agree with that. May even win over 13 and 49 Gen Intel, yes. Yeah. So they didn't activate PBO. Okay, so he deleted it. Jay has it. I respect Jay as a content creator. I don't respect Jay from a technical standpoint. Okay, it might sound bad what I say, but I think he fumbled the bag multiple times. No offense, Jay, if you watch the video. I like you, but there is a lot of mistake in when you say. We all say stupid stuff, but we need audio. No, we don't need audio. We just need the graph, chat. Yeah, maybe he talks about it, but there is no graph about it. Yeah, like okay, this is my jam that. So when I had Intel CPU, like the previous CPU I have, I deleted it and it's still working. Like I'm streaming out of it. Like this was great on the 800 series. But the FPS doesn't look good, huh, chat? It look all stuttery, dude. Burk. Here we are. Thank you, sir. 300 watt, chat. Oh, chat. Hey, Jake Known, it was not for you, okay? It was just J 2 cents, whatever. No, I think so. I think Jay is the type of guy who speak more with his art than with the data, right? Which is fine, but watch activating PBO is like zero perf almost. You gain 6 FPS and 2 FPS, dude. Oh la 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 chat. Especially because in stock condition CPU is still far away from the 200 watt. I mean, PBO is defined by those different values, and all of those three values were not met. Like we are not exceeding during the gaming scenario. So opening up PBO to me doesn't make sense. Still, it helped. I could repose this every single time. I have no clue. Okay, so what he's saying is like there is an issue with PBO too. Bro, the 7800X3D get destroyed by the 4900 KS in Assassin's Creed, boys. This is actually disgusting, huh, chat? Dude, it's a big slap in my little face there. Cyberpunk. Yeah, look at this, chat. PBO, no PBO. It's almost the same. So are you gonna drop $600 for 9950X? No. No, I don't think so, chat. Here, man, you see why I'm curious about it? I'm curious about it because I would love to see how this BB would work on Linux. Like, really, if somehow in Linux, like the core parking, like everything will make it, a great CPU on Linux. But it's like a $600 test, right? Oh, look at Counter-Strike, dude. Look at Counter-Strike. Like, what is this Jeep here? Oh no, that's the power. Okay, my bad. That's the power. Wait. So I missed out. I was not looking at the right one. My bad. Okay. So let me check something. Just to make sure. Okay, yeah, so it doesn't change anything. So the story here is that with the same amount of watt, right, you get better lows, like a lot of better lows in gaming. That will be the idea, right? He's at 120 watts there, and he has 92 FPS low, same amount of FPS there, but his 1% is way higher. So maybe they maybe fix something inside the CCD somehow. Maybe it's dipping a little bit less. So let's see if we can see the same here. 84. And where is it? No, so it's the same. Actually, it's consuming more here. Lol. Yeah, there is no story, chat. FPS lows are lower than a 7800X. Like, it's like... it's a miss, chat. Okay, so he did delete it. Good job. Okay, so here he's the one doing his daily die mate stuff. So I guess it's just a plug for selling his stuff there, which is fine. Okay. Okay, so testing. So I guess he's gonna make another video. Yeah, it's not worth it. 305 watt, boys. Bro. Is this serious, chat? eBay had a lot of used 70X X3D for sale before the new release. I picked mine for $300. Nice. Yeah. It's disappointing, chat. Yeah, so he has issue, right? Literally, testing is bad. This is bad, dude. Okay, our buddy Wendell. So he's like big word, better than a Threadripper.
Ouh là là, la crème de la crème club.
Okay, so he had issue on Windows 2.
Internet.
And he's using PBO. Yes! Yeah, it's exactly the same, chat. For gaming. J. Crown, thank you very much, dude, for becoming a member of La Crème de la Crème Club, buddy. Thank you very much for your support. Much, much appreciated, dude. Welcome. Welcome. Better J confirms. Thanks a lot, dude. You have no idea. Whoop. You have no idea how much it helps, dude. So thanks a lot, guys. He is now a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club. Thank you, dude. Okay, so literally he's saying that Windows is an issue here. You see, still have a lot to be desired, and it's still possible to use software like Process Lasso that we have covered in years, gone by here, and a few percentage more in terms of performance. Well, if you disable SMT, symmetric multithreading, which is actually a pretty important technology on the CPU and get a lot of free performance from multithread. If you disable it, a lot of games, the performance will actually improve. Man, so they still have the issue with the core parking even on Windows, chat. This is so bad, dude. Do you read what he's saying, chat? Do you read what he's saying? Okay, you need to read that. This is insane. So, listen. So, setting for Cyberpunk, but that's a red herring, don't be there. It's possible to get Cyberpunk run to like 200 FPS at 1080p high, which is only outperforms the 14900K. But not always, and it may depend on disabling Windows security feature, which is not, like I'm not saying you should have to disable Windows security features to do something. I'm saying that it's configured in the right way, you don't even know it's enough time to really figure it out what's going on. To be a lot of updates and a lot of stuff happening, on the new thing gets launched. Dude, like, it's not working. Oh, okay. So now it looks like now you can have 5 slots on the 9000 series. So it's still the same frequency. Oh, okay. Okay, so instead of running, so for 4DIMM, you are limited at. Okay, so you just increase the frequency. You go from 5200 to 5600. Yeah, I did that. Unlucky process lasso isn't on Linux. What do you mean? It's you can do that in one command line on Linux. You have nothing to do on Linux. You don't even need this type of application. Gamorowski on Linux, it just works. Hey, Rantidamo, how are you doing? Are you happy about your new PC, broski? Yes, ready, Gamorowski. Okay, so this is like this. You see, I didn't know that because I don't have DDR5. Like the way you pair your dual kit and stuff. Interesting. So apparently, it resolves some of those issues. So there, he pushed it. Okay, so he pushed it to 8000, but the problem is like he divided it already. So yeah. So he went with another round. Okay, PBO 16 core. Yeah, it's not good, chat. So Counter-Strike 4K benchmark. Interesting. In 4K, it's actually not bad, huh? But you will see now it's GPU limited at 4K, I guess. In 1440, boom. Okay, so it's still under, chat. Yeah, 8000 is going to be slower because it's not. I don't know what is the right word, but it's not. The ratio is not 1:1. So yeah, man, I think we check everything there. It's a May generation, chat. I don't know, chat. I don't know, dude. That's a tough one. I know personally, like just after watching this, it is just not worth it, chat. It's just not worth it. I will be my 2 cents. It is definitively not worth the money. I think if you are not compiling, it's not worth it. I think for someone like like a distro maintainer who want to invest in a machine to compile all the, I think that's Peter from CachyOS. I'm pretty sure like he is gonna go for one of those. But here, like for gaming, it's not worth it, chat. It's way too much money, and my hope was related to the memory, right? I was like, maybe the controller is gonna be faster. But if it's not even faster, there is no point. There is just no point. I'm wondering how many CPUs gonna break. I don't know either. But yeah. So why go for something like that when Threadripper exists? Because it's like really cheap after story. Like a Threadripper. Let's say you go with a Threadripper, right? And this is not the latest generation. Like, oh, okay, those are the one, chat. It's 10 grand. Hello? Oh, maybe you could go with this one. Okay. Think about pricing, dude. Like, there is a reason why, right? Like me, I own a Threadripper, and I paid it like so way cheaper than that at the time when they released it, because I don't know, like with whatever happened the last like 6 years or 7 years, like a lot of things changed. But I have a second generation or third generation Threadripper, and it works like slower than my 5950X. So Rumor says the 9900X and 9950X have issue with core parking. Yeah, this is what we were looking at, Mike. But I think it's the core parking issue is just related to Windows, right? So you're talking about this one. Could be, yeah. Could be an interesting one, I guess. But the question is like, this baby might be slower than the 9950X. Like Let's see, just to have an idea. Okay, so this is the one you are mentioning, right, chat? So let's get into the bench right away. For efficiency, I don't care. Compile. Okay, not bad. Actually, not bad at all. Yeah, it could be a good alternative, but it's way more expensive, right, chat? Build time 51 minutes. Do we remember what was the build time for the? Bro, come on, DuckDuckGo, don't do that to me, please. Compile time, please. Yes. Okay, so compile time. It's not the same scale. It's not the same scale, chat. $72 for 79 X3D. And so, oh yeah, it's the same. So, okay, so it's better. Okay, it's better, chat. Threadripper, this Threadripper is actually better, dude. It's still better than the 5950X. Interesting. What is the name of the socket, chat? Tier 5. Hello! Oh, you can have, like, listen, bro. It is expensive. Okay, it is expensive, but it's relative, right? It is expensive, but it's pretty relative. Can you imagine what you could do with this baby, chat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dude. How many lane? Dual 10 gigabit LAN port. 7 PCI 5 16 slot. Bro! Bro! OMG, chat. So does it support ECC? ECC RDIMM. It's ECC RDIMM, chat. Okay. Now. Okay. So we are like, right now we are $3,000. Okay, it's fair, dude. It's actually fair. $3,000, $5,000. Chat, this is what we need, right? This one is where it's at. They have IPME? I didn't check. Yes, IPME. Okay, so yeah, this is... Dude, this is literally the dream machine. Yeah, that's the dream machine, chat. Can we see the picture of the back? Yeah, that's what I like. Oh la, chat! 10 more subscribers today and you buy it? Yeah, 10,000 more, eh? 10,000 more and we get it, dude. You know what you have to do, Knop? Bro, look at this. Okay, this is serious, chat. Like, this is what I call serious. You can get a Threadripper pre-built for like 5,000. I like to build my stuff, okay? Like, when I see this, listen to it. When I see this motherboard, I want to kiss it. Like, this is serious. This is really serious, chat. Look at this, boys. I'm like, do you want to be my motherboard? I know it's getting weird. But... Oh la. Oh la. Chat! Look at this, chat. I'm wondering if this thing makes some type of noise. 1, 2, 3 NVMe drive. But like when you have when you have 7, I repeat, 7 PCI 5 16X available, you don't really care, right, chat? You're like, meh. No problemo, dude. Like, I'm not jealous of this guy. Like, I'm wondering, like, if you get this type of motherboard where, you're gonna use it like crazy, right? Like, you're gonna crush it. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, this one is not good. Like, with the price difference, like 200 bucks more and you have the other monster. There is not even like, to me, there is no discussion there. And what about this? Okay, so this is the IPMizer and double. Okay, so this one could be good, chat. But it's PC Express by 4, not by 5. So this is not the latest generation, chat. This is where it's at, dude. This is where it's at. To me, like, you want to show off? You want to be the king? You want to be the king of the e-penis? This is what you want, chat. You know, I'm gonna be like, hey, I'm using Gentoo, boys. I just have the hard time between the 7970X. So it's a 32 core. And this one is a 24, right? Okay, so you lose 8 core, but you gain 1 grand. So I guess 24 is enough, huh, chat? I'm like, nah, I'm good. You know what? I think I'm good. I don't need those 8 extra core. I'm good. I'm good, boys. And then you go to 64, boys. The monster. So some people actually buy that. So what are the review? Like, what is this guy saying? Review, yes, 2. Like, what are they saying? I want to see what they're saying. I want to see, like. So there is nothing. I think they just click on the rating and they were like, yeah, I'm good. I don't even need to explain why I love this one. Review. No. Like, I'm good, boys. So, last stuff. Yeah, so you see, okay, so they are still selling it, 338. Oh, wow, okay, it's actually cheap, chat. 366. And you get a game too. 2 games. They are just happy they can open 1000 Chrome tab and run 20 instances of Doom at the same time. Okay, chat. I think we look at everything. I think we check everything, chat. It's tempting. Yeah, listen, I'm gonna put a goal for. Yeah, you see, they're making deal for all of them. Even this one is on deal. You double the core, chat. Me, I'm not scared about the parking situation because I'm not using Windows anyways. Like, this is a good deal, dude. What we could do, like, we could do a subscriber goal and see if we can reach it. If we reach it, could do an upgrade, right? Maybe this one or the next one, the 9950X 3D. But again, there is no rush. I don't think it's time to upgrade it. I don't have the fund for it. So let's see Canada. Do we have Canada? Yes. Are they doing the deal too? Don't think they are, chat. Woof. Come on. So there is a deal. Yeah, not so deal, huh? Not such a deal, chat. Le Ox, thank you for the $5, bro. I've noticed that my gaming performance suffers massively if a video is playing in Brave. I also tested Florp and it was the same. Terrible FPS and 1% low. The same video in MPV doesn't cause so much lag. GPU decoding is enabled. Any idea? What GPU are you using? Yeah, I will buy it in the state and ship it. Yeah, because watch. You see the difference, boys? Not so good, huh? $7.99, and the price in the US is $5.29. It's huge, dude. It's actually huge. So, for your question, Le Ox, I don't really have an answer right now. So, what GPU are you using? And what desktop, like what display protocol are you using? I know I had some issue in the past with some update, it just went better. AMD Radeon with open source driver. Even with the video pause, the performance take a major hit. Mostly in... Le Ox. So so I'm gonna say something stupid maybe, but is it not supposed to run better? So okay. No. The video through the browser, they are supposed to go through VI API, right? VAAP on Linux. Knoppy, with a $5 donation, go for it, bro. Okay, we'll do that, dude. Thank you very much. Guys, thank you very much for the donation today, okay? I appreciate it. So yeah, you could get this CPU for this price. Yeah, I think it's called VI API. Yeah, okay, I think it's the same. So I don't have a big experience with VI API. Okay, I don't use it because me, like, the way it works with NVIDIA is totally different. Oh boys, another donation. Xero, thank you very much, buddy. Thanks a lot. Didn't have to do that, dude. Didn't have to do that. So we have Knop, and we also have Xero with a $5 donation. It's a good start to an upgrade, but careful, Linux kernel still need optimizing for the CPU. Love. Thanks a lot, dude. I know that I had some issue with NVIDIA at a certain point, and I've been switching to Chromium. So I know some users, they don't want to use Chromium. But this is what I've been using, chat. So, Le Ox, maybe try this. I can't answer that. I'm really sorry, dude. I feel really bad right now. But I don't have an answer for you. I know Chromium helped me with NVIDIA when Firefox was kind of like, not there. Rob, what happened to the X3D part in Linux? I know it requires Xbox Game Bar. No, it requires nothing. If you have an X3D CPU and you run it in your machine, no problemo. On Linux. There is some command line you should use for setting up the topology for launching game if you are scared that the scheduler is not going to handle it. But normally shouldn't be a problem at all. So thank you very much, guys. Knop, Xero, and Leox, thank you very much for the donation. Much appreciated. Whatever I use currently, I have some issue, but I think all of it is caused by GNOME. Never installing GNOME again. Okay, bon. Leox, did you try Chromium? Stupid question, but... No, I can't watch those. Down. Yeah, I don't know if you're still here, Leox, but maybe what you should do is like open a help me in Discord and see if someone can help you in my Discord. But it sounds odd. Because with AMD, everything should be working, right? So even with the video paused, what the heck? Even with the video paused, the performance take a major hit, most notable with 4K and YouTube video. Okay, so chat, again, thank you very much for the donation, much appreciated. I think I'm gonna do some type of improvement on the stream, maybe not the next one, but the one after. Trying to set up some type of goal and see like if we get a better CPU, for example, if we can reach a certain goal. That would be a good one. And also just to, you know, ask the viewer if they want to, you know, participate more overall in the Patreon and also in the membership, right? Yes. I think that's all, chat. I think we covered everything. I don't believe I'm gonna make a video about Cosmic. There is no way I'm gonna do that because it's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. But I see the potential. I see the potential there. Maybe I should try. I don't know, chat. Maybe I'm gonna make a review of a desktop environment. Obviously, I'm not the best for doing that. I think I'm more aligned to do some gaming benchmark, but the gaming benchmarks are not ready yet. So not worth it. Guys, I'm out. I'm gonna go eat. Thank you very much for watching, chat. I think we covered everything. I want to thank again, like, everyone. So we had a new member of La Crème de la Crème Club. We had a lot of donation, chat. So thank you very much for the donation. Much appreciated. I don't know how to say it, but thanks a lot. We'll be back on Friday. Tomorrow, if I do a good job this afternoon and tonight, I will be able to push the video for the CachyOS overall tutorial for gaming. So we should have that tomorrow. I think it's going to be a really good video. I hope. And yeah, that's all. And then I'm going to make my rant about Linux and Windows. That's why I had the Windows installed there on my inventory. Yeah. Take care, guys. Thanks again for watching. We will be back Friday for a live stream. Maybe Hyperland. Maybe. Oh, dude. Maybe. Okay, don't laugh, chat, but maybe Immutable Manjaro. Oh, that's gonna be a funny one. Maybe Immutable Manjaro, dude. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a good one. Chat, I'm out. Take care. Have a great rest of your day, and as we say over there, bisous, bisous.